answer will get you b cube. Is it clear, all of you? Please respond, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next question number. Next question number 2. Det of log e square log e cube log e square log e cube log e to the power 4 log e cube log e to the power 4 log e to the power of 5, which is equal to first question 0, second question is 1, third one is 4 log e, and fourth option is 5 log e. Students, tell me this answer, all of you. So in the first row, which one is the common? First row or first column, anything. Which one is the common here? Please respond. Row wise or column wise? First I am taking row wise. Tell me, students, what is the common?
Log.
First of all, yeah, first of all do one thing. Log e square means you can write 2 into log e. Log e cube means 3 log e. We have a formula log a power m into log e. Next, also 2 into log e. Next, this is 3 into log. This is 4 into log e. 3 into log e. 4 into log e. 5 into log e. Now, we can take common column wise or row wise. See, because here row wise all common is there log e. Column wise also log e is common. Now tell me, I am taking row wise common. How many? First row, 1 log e is there. Second row, 1 more log e into log e square. Next, third row also take out common log e. Totally common, tell me. Log e whole cube, students. Hello? My voice is clear or not, students? Respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
why you are all very silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, students, how you got log e whole cube? How you got log e whole cube?
Ma'am, each row, like all the 3 rows, they're loggy, so we have to take out separately.
Common.
So
Okay, first row log e is common, second row also, third row log e into log e into log e is log e whole cube. What is left here? 1, 2, 3. Next, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, now tell me, students. Expand this one. Plus, minus, plus. Again is okay na? Okay, e value is always 1 only. Now, or you can write this also log e whole cube, right? This. Now expand this one. 1 into 15 minus 16. 2 into minus 2 into 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 12 plus 3 into 12 minus 9. How much you got it? Log e is always 1. 1 whole cube. 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3. Tell me this answer. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 4.
ma'am, it's 8 minus 9.
What I wrote, ma? Where, ma? Yeah,
Plus
8
6.
minus 8 minus 9. So this is minus 1, right? Minus 1, right? Please respond, all of you students.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
8. Yeah, this is 8. 8 minus 9. So 3 into minus 1. So 3 into
Minus 3.
this is plus 4, right? This is a minus 3. So which is equal to
0.
yeah, answer is 0. So answer is first option. This first option. Is it clear, all of you? Students, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, all of you? Please respond, Amma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Next, third question, right? Delta of b square plus c square, a square, a square, b square, c square plus a square, b square, c square, c square, a square
A
plus
square
b
plus
square,
B square.
which is equal to k into a square, b square, c square. Then k is equal to, students, this type of questions, no, it is, if you expand this one also, it is lengthy process. In competitive, just take verification, that is, take a is equal to 1, your wish, you can take any values, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2, you can take anything, Amma. You can take in substitute any values.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I'm taking 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. Substitute there and tell me the answer. Substitute there and tell me the answer. B square plus C square, 1 square plus 2 square is 5, A square is 1, A square is 1, B square is 1, C square plus A square is 5, and this is 1. Next, C square is 4, 4, 2, now which is equal to K into 1 into 1 into 2 square is 4. Now expand this one, plus, minus, plus. Now expand this one, 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 4, minus 1 into 2 minus 4, plus 1 into 4 minus 20, 5 minus 20, which is equal to 4k. Next, which is equal to 5 into 6 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 16, which is
Minus
equal to
16.
4k.
You-
So finally we'll get to 30. 30 plus
30.
2 minus 6 equal to 4k.
4K.
Now that is equal
It
to
is 16
calculate
K, ma'am. K is equal to 4.
16. 16 is equal to 4 4. K is equal to 4. You can substitute the value, students, not only 1 and 1, 2. You can take any numbers. Okay. Any doubt, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right now. Complete fast, students. Next, completed, students. Students completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Completed, students, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Please respond, students, all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yeah. Next. Next problem, students. Data of, before, right? If ABC, next question. If A comma B comma C are in AP, then data of x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus A, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus B, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus C, which is equal to first option 1, second one is 0, third one is minus 1, and fourth option is 2. Students, now I am taking here in place of ABC, in place of ABC. So ABC are in AB, no? So I'm taking A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3 are in AP. Then substitute there, substitute there. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. In place of B, write 2x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. This in place of C take C. In place of C take 3. What is this value of determinant? Tell me. What is this value of determinant?
0, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Why, tell me? Because here C1 and C3 are identical. C1, C3 are identical. So the value of the determinant is 0. Value of determinant is 0. Any doubt, students? Please respond.
Ma'am, that's only because you take it as 1, 2, 3. What if you change A, B, C values? You take A as 1, B as 5, and
Hey,
C
are
as
in
9.
AP is given, no?
Yes, ma'am,
ABCR
1,
in
5,
AP
9.
is given.
That's also an
Ah.
AP.
Huh?
1, 5, and 9. That's also AP.
You don't think like that and all. ABC are in AP means, so tell me what numbers you are taking? 1, 2,
1,
3
5,
only, no?
9.
1, 2, 3 and so on, N only, no? Actually you are taking. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See the options once and then do it. See the options once. Completed, students, all of you? Students, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. If x comma y comma z are all different, and if det of x square 1 plus x cube, y square 1 plus y cube, z square 1 plus z cube equal to 0, then what is the value of 1 plus xyz? First option is -1, second option is 0, third option is 1, fourth option is 2. What is the property number 4, students? Respond all of you. What is the property number 4? What is the property number 4? Students, what is the property number 4? Sum of two terms. This can be written as sum of two determinants. Sum of two terms. This can be written as sum of two terms. Students, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, please respond all of you. What is the property number 4? Sum of two terms can be written as sum of two determinants, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of two terms can be written as sum of two determinants. Now, this can be written as x square 1, y square 1, z square 1 plus x square x cube, y square y cube, z square z cube, which is equal to 0. In the second determinant, you can take the common. What you have to take common? In the second determinant, which one you have to take common here? In the first row, you can take x common.
X,
In the
Y,
second
Z.
row, yeah, can take y, z common from first, second, third rows. Then you can write 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square is equal to 0. Now, students, in the first determinant, now we are applying property number 2. Property number 2 means what is the property number 2? If any two rows or any two columns, if interchange, the value of the determinant sign changes. So first I'm taking this one. It is C1 is there, C3. C3 interchange, C3 interchange, C3 interchange C1. Then what you get here, minus will get you. So just a minus of 1, 1 x square, y square, z square. This is right, x, y, z. Again, C2 interchange C3. One more minus will get you. That minus into minus plus will get you, right? This plus x, y, z. 1 x, x square, 1 y, y square, 1 z, z square is equal to 0. So students, minus into minus plus. So next step I'm writing here. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, when we again apply C2 interchange C3. C2 interchange C3. Then you can take common outside. Then you can write 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, plus x, y, z, that of 1, x, x square, 1, y square, 1 z, z square is equal to 0. From these two, you can take common. Which one you can take common, students? Respond, all of you. Determinant you can take common, students. Determinant you can take common, students. Then you can write 1 plus xyz into det of 1 x, x square, 1 y square, 1 z, z square is equal to 0. This determinant send this side. So what happened here? 1 plus x is equal to 0. What is the option here? What is the option here? Students, my voice is clear or
ma'am.
not?
Second option.
Yes.
Please respond, students. My voice is clear, right?
Yes,
Screen
ma'am.
also visible.
Yes.
Then very silent. You don't know. Tell me, or what? You're not understanding anything. Tell me, please respond, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Jayant P, respond. Jayant P, respond. This problem is clear. All of you understood this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Please respond, students. Completed? Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note down, all of you. Note down, all of you, students. You're all maintaining notes, right? Don't take any screenshots and all. Please, you should write the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you following or not? Tell me, students. Determinant, is there any difficult to you? Respond. Students, respond, all of you. Is there any difficult in this chapter?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next. Why am I very silent? Huh? What happened? Please respond, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Next problem, students. If det of lambda square plus 3 lambda, lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3, lambda plus 1, 2 minus lambda, lambda minus 4, lambda minus 3, lambda plus 4, 3 lambda, which is equal to p lambda power 4 plus q lambda cube plus r lambda square plus s lambda plus t. Then t is equal to. Students, this type of problems are very important. Here, where it is t, tell me, your constant, right? Any doubt here? Then you want a t means Then can put lambda is equal to 0. If you put lambda is equal to 0, what happened? All q into 0, 0, this term also 0, this term also 0, this term also 0 will get you t, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, all of you? Then put lambda is equal to 0. Put lambda is equal to 0, then you can get a t value. Put lambda is equal to 0, then you can get the t value. This is 0, minus 1, 3, 0, minus lambda, sorry, 2, right? Plus 2.
It's 2 only, ma'am. 2.
2 minus 4 minus 3, 4, 0. See RH side 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus t. You want t or only no? Now tell me the answer. So t is equal to plus minus plus. Tell me the answer, do it. Tell me the answer, do it, all of you. 0, minus 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 4, minus 3, 4, 0. Tell me the answer, plus minus plus. How much you got it, students? 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into 0, plus minus 12, plus
24.
3 into 0, plus 6.
24.
How much, Ram? 24.
24.
1 minute. Students, listen, listen. In the second row, what is this answer? If you put lambda is
1.
0. Like that you are
It's
all telling,
24.
right? Hmm. 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 12 plus 3 into 4. 10, 3, 30. 18 answer.
18.
Why you got 24?
I didn't take 2 and 4. I thought it was 1 minus 3 minus 4 and 0.
Okay. You got
No,
it,
ma'am.
students, out here? Next question. Completed, students, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, any doubt? Please respond.
Ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Please ask, ma.
No, ma'am.
It's clear, ma'am.
Completed, students, all of you?
Completed.
Completed.
Yeah, next question. Next question, students, write down. Det of 1 plus x, 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole cube, 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 5, 1 plus x to the power 6, 1 plus x to the power 7, 1 plus x to the power 8, 1 plus x to the power 9, which is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on. Then a1 is equal to a1 is equal to students, here a1 you want means first of all, before problem what happened? It's a constant. So that's why here lambda, in place of lambda, you can easily take 0, right? Here, coefficient of x is a1. When you get a1, if you take differentiation, no, a1x differentiation is a1, then only you can get constant value. Understood, students? All of you, what I'm telling? a1x is there. We want a1 only for that. If you take differentiation, what is the differentiation of x? X differentiation is 1. So yeah, in this determinant, do differentiation first. Do differentiation. 1 differentiation is 0 plus x differentiation is 1. Next, x square differentiation is 2 into 1 plus x into 1 derivative is 0 plus 1 is into 1. That one no need to write. 1 plus x whole cube differentiation is 3 into 1 plus x whole square. All of you know differentiation, d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. 1 plus x to the power 4, this can be written as 4 into x plus 1 whole cube. This is 5 into 1 plus x to the power 4. 3, this is 6 into 1 plus 6 to the power of 5. And this is 7 into 1 plus x to the power of 6. 8 into 1 plus x to the power of 7. 9 into 1 plus x to the power of 8, which is equal to, right side also do differentiation, students. A naught is 0, constant is 0. 0 plus a1x is a1. Plus and so on. Now, if you put x is equal to 0, then you can get a1, students. If you put x is equal to 0, then you can get a1, students. See that RH side. Hello? Students, my voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you put x is equal to 0, RH side, what happened? This is equal to, it becomes 0, this also 0, then you can get a, students. A1, students, tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Students, again, you want A2, students. How can you find this determinant? Means, again, one more time differentiate. Then this x, it become 1. Okay, x become 1. Then again, if put x is equal to 0, then you can get A2. Now tell me, students, put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Tell me what I write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. This is x sum. 1 minute. Yeah, this is 0. Now tell me, students, you put x is equal to 0. A1 plus 0, remaining elements also with 0 will get you. Why? Because A2 2x means next term what you get here, A3 3x square will get you. So you're taking x is equal to 0, no? Remaining terms also 0 will get you. Next. So now plus, minus, plus. What is this answer, students? 45. 45. Tell me the answer, students, all of you. 45 minus 42 minus 2 into 36 minus 42. Next. Plus 3 into 32 minus 35, which is equal to A1.
A1.
Students, respond. What is the answer will get you, Ra?
Ma'am, it
3.
will be 3 minus 2 into minus 6. Yeah, minus 6 plus 3 into
3 into
minus
3,
3. No, ma'am,
which is
minus
equal
3.
to, yeah, minus 3.
A1.
Now what you write here? 3
3,
plus 12
3 plus
minus
12
9 is equal
minus
to
9
A1.
equal to A1.
So A1 value is equal to,
It will be
A1 value equal
0. It will be 0.
0 na?
Sorry, 6, 6.
Options. What is the answer, students? 6 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 15 minus 9 is 6.
Once check it. I
No,
think so
ma'am.
0. Once check it. See the options. Options are not given, right?
Ma'am, it is -3, ma'am.
Where? One, my 45. Check the answer, all of you, once. Once question number 44. Answer is 0. Ra. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 1 into 45.
Yes,
42.
ma'am, it's 0.
0, ma?
Yes,
Where I
ma'am.
made mistakes?
Ma'am, it is 45 minus 48. ma'am.
Yeah. 48. I wrote 42. Yes, correct one. Yeah, 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 2 into 36 minus 42 plus 3 into 32 minus 35, which is equal to A1. So this answer is -3 minus 2 into -6 plus 3 into -3, which is equal to A1. -3 plus 12 minus 9. So therefore A1 answer is 0. Students, any doubt here? Students, any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
How can you do A2, ma? How can you find A2? 2 times differentiate and then put x is equal to 0. Then you can get A2. Okay. You want A1 means directly put x is equal to 0 or constant value lambda equal to 0. Depends on that problem. You want A0 means. You want A1 means first to do differentiation. After that substitute x is equal to 0. You want A2 means so 2 times differentiation. After that substitute x is equal to 0. You want A3 means 3 times differentiation. After that substitute x is equal to 0. Then you can get A3. Students understood what I am telling here?
Could you repeat
Which one, ma? Which
the
one,
same
ma?
thing which you told now?
Yeah. Here in this determinant, A naught we want here to find A naught means directly put x is equal to 0. Then you can get A naught. Why? Because remaining terms this also 0, this also 0. Then you can get A naught. So in this problem, you want A1 means in this problem, how to find A1 means first differentiate each and every row. After that substitute x is equal to 0. Then you can get A1. You want A2 find means you can, how can you find A2 means 2 times differentiate, 2 times, not 1 time, 2 times differentiate. After that substitute x is equal to 0. Then you can get A2 value. Next, you want A3 x cube means 3 times differentiate. After that substitute x is equal to 0. Then you can get A3. Like that you can find out remaining terms also. Is it clear, students, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, understood all of you what I'm telling? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, write down. So your constant only na you want. In this problem constant you want, right? That's why directly you can substitute t is equal to 0, lambda equal to 0. Next. Completed, students, all of you? Students completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Next. Next question. Next question, write down, students. Next. Greatest integer function. We are given that -1 is less than or equal to x is less than 0. 0 is less than or equal to y is less than 1, less than 0. Next, 1 is less than or equal to z is less than 2. Then the value of the determinant, then the value of the determinant of step of x plus 1, step of y, step of z. Step of x, step of y plus 1, step of z. Step of x, step of y, step of z plus 1 is first option step of x, second option step of y, third option step of z, and fourth option is step of x plus step of y plus step of z. Students, what is this answer? Tell me. Students, respond, all of you. What is the step of x? They are given interval -1 to 0 is this is -1 only. Step of y is equal to 0 to 1 is 0. Step of z is 1 to 2 is 1. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now substitute there. So from this, I am writing step values, ma. From this, I am writing step values. Is there any doubt? Please respond. Is there any doubt? Please respond, students.
No,
So
ma'am.
-1 plus 1, it is 0. Y also 0. This is 1. Next, step x value, it is -1. Step y plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1. This is 1. Next, step x value is -1. This is 0. This is 2. Expand this one. If you expand this one, 0 plus 0 plus minus plus 1 into 0 plus 1. So which is equal to answer is 1. So from these three, where it is 1 more step of z. What is the answer for this one? Is it clear, all of you? 1 is the answer. So in this step of x, step of z value, it is 1. So option number 3. Is it clear, all of you students? Please respond.
Clear, ma'am.
Next. Completed? Please completed. Tell me, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Why ma so dull everyone? Be active, ma. What happened to you all? You're not understanding? Tell me.
Completed, ma'am.
Understood.
Next. Please respond, ma. All of you. Then only I can know. No. Next, write down, students. Next one. Next question. If r is equal to r square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, s square is equal to ab plus bc plus ca, then det of r square s square s square, s square r square s square, s square s square r square, which is equal to, first option is 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Second option is a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc. Third option is 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube whole square. Fourth option is 0. So students, so this type of problems and all, what to do? Just substitute the values. So ABC is equal to easy way, just simple values only substitute. Simple values. Now I'm taking A is equal to, I'm taking, tell me, you only tell the answers. You only tell the values. I will substitute those problems, those values only. So simple values only substitute. 1, 2,
135.
0. 5 means what, right? It is lengthy, right? Take 0, 1, 2, like that you have to take it. It is easy, right? So, understood what I am telling students? Easy values 0, 1, 2, like that. Substitute and tell me the answer, students. Substitute and tell me the answer, students. Substitute and tell me the answer. Easy values only substitute and tell me the answer. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. 0, 1, 2, like that you have to take it. Then it is easy, no? 0, 1, C is equal to 2. Okay, now don't take big numbers. Calculation part is difficult, no? 0, 1, 2. Are you following, students, what I'm telling here? Hello? Respond, students, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
What is A square? What is R square? Will get you 5. S square is equal to 2. Substitute. Substitute. 5, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 5. Expand this determinant. Expand this determinant. Plus, minus, plus. 5 into 25 minus 4 minus 2 into 10 minus 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 10. Now which is equal to how much is 1? 5 into 21 minus 2 into 6 plus 2 into minus 6. So 105 minus 12 minus 12. So which is equal to 81 is the answer.
81.
In the option, check the options. Check the options also. Check the options also. So we'll get you option, it is 0. 0 minus 0 minus 1 square is 1. So you won't get it 18. So option is wrong. So this option also you won't get it. Check the third option once. Option, third one option, check it. 0 minus 0 minus 1 cube minus 2 cube whole square. Whole square. Yeah, we'll get you right. Minus 1 minus 8 whole square. It is equal to minus 9
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
square. It is equal to 81. Question number, option number 3. Is there any doubt, students? Please respond. Students, please respond, students. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Next problem, students. Next problems. Next. If, write down, students, if capital A is a 3 by 3 matrix and det of adj of A is equal to 16, then det of A is equal to, first option is 4, second option is minus 4, third option is plus or minus 4, and fourth option is 8. Now tell me, students, what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? We know that.
Ma'am, is the answer plus 4?
Very good. Very good. Det of A to the power n minus 1. This is 16. Det of A. N means order 3 minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So 16 is det of A.
Is Det of A to the power 2.
Yeah.
Det of A is equal to plus minus.
Yeah. Very good. Next. Next. If capital A is equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, then question 1 minute now. Question is not there. Then we can write it as 1 minute, students. One minute, students. This question is not there. Then find edge of A. Then find edge of A. How can you find, students? First to find out delta of A value. Delta of A value find out. And delta of A is equal to what is the formula? Delta of n minus 1 and replace the value. Take it as homework. Take it as homework. Students, understood what I'm telling here? Next question, students. Next question. Next question. Hello. A is a square matrix. Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next question right now. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix of order 3. Of order 3. Then det of adj of adj A square. First option det A square. Second option det A to the power 4. Third option det A to the power 8. Fourth option is det A to the power 16. Students, listen. We know that det of adj is equal to det of A to the power n minus 1. Any doubt, students? Please respond. Now I want first adj of A square is equal to. Students, here we can write first. This is the formula already we know. So now det of adj of what is this value, students? Adj of A square. Det of adj of A square means you can write det in place of A is A square is there, write A square. Det of what is n, students? What is n? 3 minus 1. Is it clear, students, all of you? Please respond. Please respond, students. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, respond, students. This adj of A
Yes,
write
ma'am.
as it is only.
Yes, ma'am.
This adj of A write as it is only. This adj A square that can be written as det of adj is what? Det A to the power n minus 1, right? But in place of A, what is there? A square is there. So that's why I'm writing det A square to the power n minus 1. N is what? 3. 3 minus 1. So next step is det of edge. Edge of. Now what you get here? Det of a square whole square means you can write directly det of a to the power of 4. Students, please respond. Three minus 1 is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
much? 3 minus 1. 2. 2
Two.
2s are 4.
Four.
So edge of a to the power 4 we can write it. So edge of a to the power of 4 means we can write again we can write that of a is what? A to the power of 4 to the power n minus 1 is 3 minus 1. So that is equal to det of a to the power of 4 whole square, that is det of 8. This is take it as a. This is take it as a. Edge of a. Edge of a is equal to, what is the formula? Det of a to the power of n minus 1. But here in place of a, what is there here? A to the power of 4. N is 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Students? Yeah, write down. Please, what and all we have doubts, please ask, ma. Respond, students, all of you.
Ma'am, option 3 is correct.
Okay. Next question. Next question, students. Next question, write down, students. Next question. If matrix is here given 1 minus tan theta minus tan theta 1 minus tan theta 1 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 means inverse. 1 minus tan theta 1 inverse is equal
Yes, ma'am.
to a cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha inverse. Then alpha is equal to, first option is 0, second option is pi by 2, third option is pi by 4, and fourth option is pi by 6. Response, students. What is the answer? This one already we know. A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix I. This whole matrix take it as A. This also take it as A inverse. So A into A inverse is nothing but capital I is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha
Ma'am, it's sin square alpha plus cos square alpha.
Yeah, one not that one, right? It is inverse, A inverse. What is the formula for A inverse? What is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by det of A into adjoint of A, right? Okay. Now, what is det of A? What is det of A? So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Okay, that value it is 1.
1.
Okay, now I want adjoint of A. So for 2 by 2 adjoint of A, already we know that this is A, B, B, C, D is equal to, we can write it as B, A minus B minus C. No need to find minors cofactor for 2 by 2. Directly can substitute the formula. In the substitute in the formula. Now tell me, what you get here? What you get here? A inverse. Tell me, students, what you get? Cos alpha minus sin
Cos
alpha
alpha minus sin
sin
alpha.
alpha cos alpha.
Cos
What I
alpha.
get adjoint of A? D is what? Cos alpha. This also cos alpha. Minus into minus plus sin alpha.
Sin alpha
This is
minus sin, yes, minus sin
sin
alpha.
alpha. Okay. Now students, In place of this, substitute this formula. I is nothing but 1001. Now it is equal to 1 by 1 cos square alpha plus sin square value, it is 1 only. Adjoint of A is finally what you got here, cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now compare these two, then what you get here, cos alpha is equal to 1, then cos alpha is equal to cos 90 degrees.
Cos 90
So
degree. Where alpha is equal to pi by 2.
5
Second
by
option.
2. Okay, write down students. So 1 minus tan theta into 1. So tan theta 1. 1 minus tan theta 1 inverse is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So A into A inverse is equal to Y. This is take it as A. This is take it as A inverse. Nothing but I only. I is equal to this one. So inverse A inverse is nothing but formula is 1 by det A into adjoint of A. First we have to find out det A value and then adjoint A value. Then substitute there. Then equate to identity matrix. Then you can get alpha. Is it clear or not, students? Please respond. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down. No? It's completed already. Please solve that determinants problem, Sama. Determinants problems. Please solve all of you determinant problems and matrices problems also. Okay. Completed, students? Students completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yeah,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
problem. Yeah, next problem, students. Next problem. If det of capital A 3 cross 3, it is equal to 6. Then det of arg 2A is equal to dash. Det of arg 2A is equal to dash. Students, here what they given here, det of A is equal to 6 is given. Now what you have to find out, arg Ka is equal to question mark. That is the formula. First you can write it as det of Ka into n to the power of n minus 1. Okay, now det of Ka is equal to, what is the formula? K to the power of n into A. Okay, now it is given 3 by 3 matrix K cube into det of A. Now here in place of K, what is they given? 2 cube det of A. So that is equal to how much this one? 2 cube into 6. 2 cube into 6. Students understood what I am telling here? This can be written as 2 cube into 2 into 3. You can write it that bases are equal. Power should be added 2 power 4 into 3. Now finally take this is equation number 1. In equation number 1, det of arg Ka is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 to the power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2 power 4 into
Ma'am, it is
3 whole square.
for
2 power
48.
8, 2 power 48. 4 2s are 8, 3 square.
Yeah, ma'am, 16
Tell me
into
this
8 is
answer.
48. 48 whole square. 2304.
2000.
304.
This is the answer. Sometimes given options like this also. Completed, students?
Completed.
Next. Next question, students. Adjoint of 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 2, 1, which is equal to 5a minus 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 2b, which is equal to a comma b. Their options are given minus 4 comma 1. Second option is given minus 4 comma minus 1. Third option is given 4 comma 1. And fourth option is given 4 comma minus 1. Students, adjoint we have to find out means minors or cofactors we have to find out. Okay, minors or cofactors and transposing the cofactor matrix, then you can joint, then you can equate the matrices, then you can get A and B value. Any doubt, students? Please respond. Adjoint of a matrix means first of all tell me minors. So close that first row, first element is 1, close that row, close that column. Tell me this value is 1 plus 4. Next minus 1 plus 0. Next we'll get to minus 2 plus 0. Next 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 0. So which is equal to 5a minus 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 2b. So these are all the minors. Now cofactors, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now multiply with the signs, then tell me the values. 5, 1, minus 2, plus 4, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 1. Transpose this matrix, then you can get adjoint. This is 5a minus 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 2b. Now transpose this matrix, then you can write 5, 1, minus 2, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 1. Now it is equal to 5a to 1, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 2. Now tell me, students, what is a here? A is 4, b is 1. So therefore a comma b is equal to, we can write it as closed into 4 comma 1. What is the answer for students? Option number 3. Is it clear, all of
Sir,
you?
ma'am, can you scroll a bit down, ma'am?
Is it clear, all of you? Already you know so many problems are done in board.
Yes, ma'am.
So maximum already I covered, ma. So still 10 or 15 problems are there. That one we'll discuss tomorrow morning. And evening 5:30 to 7 o'clock only we'll discuss about the board. Okay. So once please all of you that matrices 5 marks questions, 1 to 3 marks questions. Whenever you're free, please once you practice and complete those questions. What and all you have doubt, please clarify. Last question, one more it is there. Write down. Completed, students, this one. Students completed. Hello. Students completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Last question. It is very easy. You only tell this answer. Just read that question. Just writing question mark. In a, write down, in a third order. Order is 3 by 3. In a third order determinant, each element of the first column consists of sum of two terms. Sum of two terms. each element of second column consists of sum of 3 terms, and each element of the third column consists of sum of 4 terms. Then it can be decomposed into n determinants, where n as value. First option is 1, second option is 9, third option is 16, fourth option is 24. What is the answer? You are using property number 4. It is a 3 by 3 determinant. In the first column, sum of 2 determinants. Now I am taking A1, B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3. In the second column consists of 3 elements. Now I am writing x1 plus y1 z1, x2 plus y2 plus z2, x3 plus y3 plus z3. Next, in the third column consists of sum of 4 terms. Now I am writing u1, v1, w1 and t1, u2 plus v2 plus w2 plus t2, v3 u3 v3 plus w3 plus t3. Students, now tell me this answer. Already we know sum of 2 terms. This sum of 2 terms, this can be written as sum of 2 terms can be written as 2 determinants. So this is how many ways? You can write it? Tell me. 2. That is what? 2 terms. 2 terms can be written as 2 determinants. 3 terms. Hello. Students,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sum of 2 terms can be written as 2 determinants, right? Like that, these 3 terms, how many, right? How this can be written as 3 determinants. 4 terms can be written as 4 determinants. 2 into 3 into 4. What is the answer? Huh?
24.
24.
Understood, all of you? Sum of 2 terms. Here, property number 4 or 5. 5, I think so. 5. Sum of 2 terms can be written as 2 determinants. 2 into. Sum of 3 terms can be written as 3 determinants. Sum of 4 terms can be written as 4 determinants.
4 determinants.
Like that. Yeah, like that you can write it. 2 into here given only 3 by 3 determinant, right? That's why I'm writing 2 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 24. Just once you revise the matrices also, it is easy only matrices. Once you just revise the notes, no, it is enough. Just once you practice matrices notes also, and determinants, still 10 questions up to 15 questions are there. That and all we will discuss tomorrow. And tomorrow evening also I will take board class. Today evening also board class is there. We'll complete the inverse trigonometry. Okay, today we'll complete all inverse trigonometry and relations if possible. If possible, I will complete relations and inverse trigonometry. Clear, students, all of you? Now please, so competitive marks also very important. Just once you revise all matrices, determinants and cumulative also, once you just at least level 1, just once you revise material problems. First revise material problems. Now I will send one assignment also, do assignment also. Okay, students, thank you. Thank you, students.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
Thank you
bye.
so
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.